In today's video, I'm gonna bring you a new way of making money online with absolutely no money. You can do it anywhere in the world, and it will provide you probably a day's wage for some people, or above the hourly wage for some other people. All you need to do is watch some videos, like some posts, and like some videos, and I'll show you everything step by step how you can do that. There's a little bit of a trick to it, so let's go and find out what it is. All right, so the first website you want to go to and sign up to is AddMeFast.com. So once you sign up, it's super simple. You put your email and everything. They'll send you an email. You just have to confirm the email and then you'll get in. Okay, so what's AddMeFast? AddMeFast is a website with which you can grow your followers or your social media accounts. So it's very simple. You have a lot of marketplaces right here. You can see you have Facebook, Twitter, Reddit, and etc., etc., YouTube as well. And what you can do, you can just like some accounts or follow some accounts or watch YouTube videos as well, which are here, and then you get points. So I'll explain to you a little bit later what you can do with those points and how you can make money with those points. But I literally tried a few of them, a few of the methods here to gain points. The YouTube views are really good and easy, but you need to watch a 30 seconds video and you get most of the time 4 points. So I didn't really, I didn't want to waste 30 seconds. You don't even have to watch the videos. Of course, you can let them play in the background and do other things if you want to, and you'll get the points. But it's 30 seconds for most of the time, 4 points. I tried the Instagram followers, and as you can see here, they can give you 42 points. So it wouldn't take you very long to get to 1000 points. So if we do a small calculation here, you do 1000 divided by, let's say, 42 points, you'd have to do it 23 times. And to like the to follow someone on Instagram, it's going to take you 2 seconds, literally. So if you calculate 23 times 2 seconds, it won't take you long, as you can see, right? That would be literally 46 seconds to get your 1000 points. Now, of course, I'm not going to lie to you. You don't always get 42 points. As you can see, if I skip, this one is going to get you 8 points. So this is really fast to get your points. Pretty fast, because you just need to click a like or follow. That's it. You close the window. The YouTube views, they're taking a little bit longer. It's 30 seconds to watch the video. Then the ones that are really fast were the Twitter likes, and they give you, some of them, a lot of points as well. 42 points for this one, as you can see. So if I go here, I'm going to show you exactly how it works. It's already logged into my Twitter. You just click off, and here you get your points. You'll get your points, you confirm, and now you can see here. See, I got my 42 points. So that's fairly fast. So the Twitter likes are super fast. And as well, the ones that I found really fast were the Reddit upvotes. And I'll show you quickly. Here, as you can see, this one gives you 42 points. You just create a Reddit account if you don't have one. It's super simple. You just put a like, close the window, and here I should get my 42 point. Oh, it, like, something happened. Maybe something went wrong. So maybe I'm closing the pop-up too fast. Okay, so you need to wait 2 seconds. So that's a mistake you shouldn't do. Just make sure you wait 2 seconds, close it, and then you should get your points right away. So if I skip, okay, this one is 21 points. Let's go here. You just upvote, wait 2 seconds and until everything is loaded right here, as you can see. Then you close it, and here I should get my points. No items. Okay, 21 points added to your balance. So it should be added to my balance. That's good, and I hope it is. Anyways, yeah, 1082. So you get the point. You just go through the ones you want to participate to. You have the YouTube, the Twitch, Pinterest, and etc., etc. The fastest ones, I'm telling you, are going to be the likes and the follows. The videos, you still need to watch so many seconds of a video, and it's going to take you longer. So it won't take you like it won't take you even an hour to get to your 1000 points, guaranteed. Okay, it won't take you long. So once you get that, so then you'll go to player.com over here and you'll log in or sign up. If you already have an account, just log in. If you don't, just sign up. So once you're here, you'll go to the main marketplaces right here and go straight to the Facebook ones. Facebook accounts, buy and sell trades. And over here, as you can see, you can buy and sell Facebook likes or followers or reviews, anything like that. So you'll want to go to the Facebook likes for sale right here. And as you can see here, people are selling Facebook likes. The good thing is that AddMeFast.com is literally showing real views, real likes, real followers. Those are real people, right? They're not bots. They're people like you and me who are doing it. You're liking a video or an account, you're watching a video, you're a real person, you're not a bot. So those are usually more expensive technically, because a bot, as we know, a bot is not going to engage. A bot is never going to rewatch other videos that you're posting. Let's say if you're trying to grow a YouTube channel, so you want real people. Or if you have a Facebook account and you want to promote something, you want real people liking and viewing your stuff, because that's the whole point of it. So as you can see, like for 200 Facebook likes, you can sell that for $20, and some other people are selling a lot of likes right here for $50. Honestly, we don't know if they're bots or not. We don't know, but you know that you can do it for real views. So here again, 200 likes for $20, and over here, this one, $50 is selling that for $50. So you can literally just create an ad and sell your Facebook likes for whatever amount you want to put, knowing that you got your 1000 points on AddMeFast, and this is exactly what you're going to do to make the money. So once you're going to create your ad, say that you will sell Facebook 200 Facebook likes for, or 250 for $20, 25, whatever price you want to put. So you make up your ad, and then you wait for someone to buy your small gig here. So then you just go back to AddMeFast, and what you're going to do, you're going to create an ad over here. So you'll go here to plus ad, and here it's already on Facebook page likes or followers, but you can change and put whatever you want. If you want to resell TikTok followers or anything you want, I mean, promote, you can do it right here. You just choose what you want to do, right? So if you have Facebook page likes followers, what you're going to do here, you're going to put here, you created your ad over here. Let's say the person purchased your gig for $20, $25. So what you're going to do here, you're going to put the URL of the video you want to get clicks on, likes, the YouTube page or channel video, whatever they want to put likes on. So you're going to put the URL here, and here the total clicks. So let's say you sold 200 clicks, or 250. Let's say you sold 250 clicks for $25. Here you're gonna put 250 right here, and on the daily clicks you want, let's say you want to do it over 2 days, you'll just put 125, so that's 250. And the CPC, as you can literally do 4 points if you want to, and then that's it. You'll just save it and you wait for people to click, and that's it. You got your $25 for just the amount of time it took you to get your points. And honestly, if you followed me since the start of the video, you remember that some of them are giving you 42 points. So it's not going to take you very long to get your 1000 points. So if you do a small calculation with that, so for you want to get 250 clicks, 250 likes, and you're going to give away 4 points per click, and that's gonna just use 1000 points. So as you can see, I could literally do it right now. You can get more points and then try to, sell more likes, or sell something else here for more money if you want to. And again, if you remember, 42 points in some videos or some tweets, that's fairly fast to get to 1000 points. And that's that. So yes, it will take some of your time to make that money, but in a sense, I mean, maybe that can be like a top up on your already wage, the wage that you have on your 9 to 5 job. Or it could literally replace an income if you live in a very cheap place like in Thailand, and you don't need to have a lot of money to live in Thailand, right? So maybe with the amount of money you're making per day, you can do that, I don't know, 5 times a day, 6 times a day, and get way enough money to have a good living in cheap places to live in. So that's a good way of doing it. And again, I've got an even better way to make money online. If you want to do affiliate marketing, click the link that's below the video. You'll get some details, and I can give you my free ebook as well, where you can get a lot of tips and tricks on how to make money online very fast. You can literally make $1,000 a day. So go ahead, have a look at it, and see if that's something that would suit you. It's something you can do anywhere in the world as well. And also, I would like to know, what is your favorite side hustle? Do you already have a side hustle, and what is your favorite one? So if you can comment below and give me your favorite side